Guys, I can't tell if you're seeing this on the camera or not, but it looks like a thunderstorm is about to happen where I live. Oh boy. Sorry, I just had to turn the fan off. Let's head outside to take a good look. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it's raining. Yeah, it probably doesn't look like it's raining on my, depending on your point of view, since I'm recording this on my phone. But just take my word for it. I mean, I'm sure you're hearing this. Oh, I guess you're hearing that wind. Oh, I wasn't quite sure if the camera caught that, but I think I just saw a bolt of lightning just flash from the corner of my eye. Probably missed it. And again, you have to take my word for it. Oh yeah, it's really coming down. Oh, my phone's getting a little bit wet. Better get back on the porch. Oh boy. Great Scott! Yeah, but you guys are really hearing this now. I'm sorry.
Here, you're already barefoot. Pour this in front of the chair.
Okay.
So you can, not over the bucket.
I'm still filming.
Alright, but not over the bucket.
Don't stop! Yoda.
Just put it right there so you don't get caught in it. Oh, in front of the chair.
I know what I'm doing.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Now your fault that you didn't know I was filming. Sorry about that, guys. That was just my mom. Just pretend like that didn't happen. Well, guys, I'm guessing you're getting 2 videos today. Whoa. Boom, boom, boom. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hum one of the music scores from The Wizard of Oz. Okay, I hope you guys are seeing this. Holy cow. You know, it's a very good thing I wasn't planning on going out today. Because if I did, I would have been soaking wet by now. I mean, I'm getting a little bit wet right now. But at least I'm not standing out there where it's pouring rain. That's just my mom again. Oh, I think I saw another flash of lightning. I can't tell if it was captured on the camera or not. So I'm guessing you guys have to take my word for it. Again. Good Lord! Just had to crack my fingers for a little bit. Ah, better. Oh, it's really going to town now. I've been recording for 8 minutes. I think another flash of lightning just happened. And again, I can't tell if it was captured on camera. So I won't bring it up multiple times since I'm guessing you guys are starting to get a bit annoyed by that, which I apologize. Now, I'm probably gonna get back inside. I don't want to get wet and soggy and be struck by lightning. Huh?
Just me and you put the shower curtain on.
Alright. Well, you already washed it? Yeah. Alright. googly moogly. It's funny how you guys are getting more than one video today. Pesky blurriness. Yeah. That's okay. And that's okay. It's not your fault. Crazy weather. Crazy weather. You probably couldn't even see me since it was a little bit dark in my room. Sorry about that. At least my parents' cars are getting washed. No point of going to a car wash. Oh. It's really pouring out there. Wait, what am I doing? What in the world am I doing? I'm letting out my doggone mind. I'm probably gonna stop the video right now since the thunderstorms gotta continue happening. But I'm glad you guys are watching this. Oh boy.